Hey guys, this is Howard Zonder here. I want to share with you a great new tool that I just found. Actually, I've been using it for a little while now to capture my screen and train my VAs. We all have VAs in the business. We all need to train them. And one of the great ways to do it is just create a video of you doing the job so they can see how you do it and then they can follow suit. There are many tools out there to do this. Let me just show you a couple of them. One is Camtasia. I've used that in the past. It's a very powerful tool. It's got a lot of editing capabilities, much more than you really require to train a video or to train a VA. So I really don't think it's necessary to pay for a tool to do this task. Some people are using Zoom, which is a video conferencing solution. Works great. All you really have to do is create a conference with just you in it. Share your screen and hit the record button, and you can record a video. When you're done, when you end the session, it will record the video and save it to your desktop or your laptop as an MP4, and that works well too. The problem with these approaches is that eventually you're going to have to share it with your VAs. And how are you going to do that? Maybe you're going to create a YouTube page and you're going to load this up as one of the records on the YouTube page so they can get it. An alternative approach would be to drop the file into a Google Drive folder and share the folder with your VAs so that they can get it there. But then you've got to make sure you name it well and that they can find it. And it's just not the most efficient way to do things. I've come across a solution that I think is a much better way to do it. And I want to share it with you. So don't use these. Something called Loom. And Loom is an extension right in your Google Chrome browser window. So it's this little icon right here. Now I'm actually recording this video right now using Loom, so I'm not going to click it just yet because it will stop my video. First let me show you how to get it. You just click on these three dots and you click More Tools, Extensions. Now I've already got it loaded, but if you didn't, you would come down here to click on Get More Extensions. And that's a bit slow. There we go. And then just type Loom Video. And there it is. And you can just select it right there. And then you'll have it on your computer. And what it's going to do is it's going to put this little extension or this little icon here in your browser. Just click on that when you're ready to do a video. You can select a particular window or you can do your entire screen. You can also add these little face bubbles like you see of me down here, and you can do anything you want with them. You can make them larger if you want. You can move them around. Let's see if I can make it larger and larger. Now you get to see my smiling face. How lucky you are. Let me go down before I scare you too much. Or you can make the bubble go away entirely. You don't need it at all. And then the greatest thing about Loom is that after it saves your video, it actually saves it directly to your own video folder. So rather than stop this video, I'm just going to go to the My Videos page. Oops. And it saves all your videos right here. So here's one I recently did on mailings. I'm not actually going to play the video for you. Let's move my picture over here because it will start it. But here I can add a password if I want to add a password. I can download it if I want to download it. I can delete it. Or I've got a share link. Now I've just copied it to my clipboard. And then you can just take that link and just pop it into, you can put it into a website. You can put it into a Facebook Messenger message. You can put it right onto a Facebook group share page or on your news feed. And that's how I've done this video right here. I've just copied that link and pasted it into the Facebook group page. And that's how you're seeing this video. So you don't have to take the extra steps of creating a YouTube page or creating a taxonomy and a file system in your Google Drive. It just saves it right here into your My Videos on the storage. And then you just share the link with your VAs, and that's how it works. Now, one of the things you'll notice is that in the share link that I provided here in the video, it actually is a share link from my Loom account. You're going to want to do that also. And the reason is because the way Loom is trying to get everybody to learn about their product is they're getting people to use those share links. And when you share with people and they sign on to Loom, it unlocks new features. Now, I've currently unlocked all of the features that are available today, so it really doesn't provide a whole lot more value for me to share it. But I do want you to get on Loom. And then when you do get on Loom, if you really like it, then you're going to want to share it through your share link with a few people so that it will unlock some extra features for you as well. I hope this was helpful. I found this to be an absolutely amazing tool to train my VAs, and hopefully you will also. Thanks a lot.